This is the Braun Series 7 electric shaver. Today we'll be taking a look at all of its features and seeing if this is the best shaver for your daily routine. Let's get started. The Braun Series 7 electric shaver is currently available on Amazon for $170. The 360-degree flex head adapts to deliver maximum contact for a smooth shave, even in tricky areas. The 4-in-1 Smart Care Center is included. It charges, cleans, and lubricates with the simple press of a button. The shaver comes inside a travel case that makes for easy storage, at home or on the go. The ergonomic handle enables an effortless shave with simple one-way movement. The shaver is 100% waterproof for wet and dry use. Also included in the box is the Smart Plug, Smart Care Center for charging and cleaning, with one cleaning cartridge and a cleaning brush, and a precision trimmer attachment for mustache and sideburn trimming. The shaver has a longer lasting ion battery. One full charge provides up to 3 weeks worth of shaving, and a 5-minute quick charge is sufficient for one full shave. Charging the shaver uses a common household outlet that is connected to the Smart Care Center. To clean the shaver, simply attach the included liquid cartridge. There's a button in the back of the unit to open it. Remove the top and slide in the cartridge, and then close the care center. Place the shaver into the Smart Center and press the on button on top of the unit. And the cleaning process is done in 5 minutes. This Braun shaver is engineered in Germany. Their products are made to last and offer 2-year warranty and up to 10 years repair service. This shaver has auto sense technology. The shaver reads and adapts to your beard density, removing hairs in every stroke for a smooth shave. Gently lift and cut even the toughest hairs on your 1, 3, or 7-day beard with this powerful shaver. Hold luxury in the palm of your hand with the world's most efficient electric shaver. The uniquely designed Braun foils cut the hairs below 0.05 millimeters, and the AutoSense technology adjusts the power to your beard's density for a close shave even on dense beards. Braun's unique sonic technology helps you to shave up to 10% faster for a more gentle shave in fewer strokes. Then upgrade your shaver for more grooming needs with the included precision trimmer attachment for mustache and sideburn trimming. The Braun Series 7 is 100% waterproof for wet and dry use. Designed to shave dry, with foam, gel, and in the shower. Since 1921, the Braun Company has been making quality consumer products that has led to this Braun electric shaver that is designed to last 7 years. Lastly, the question, what to put on your face after that shave. There are a lot of products that are alcohol-based and may dry out your skin. This is a natural alternative, Haitian black castor oil. It is used to promote fuller hair as well as healthy skin care. Simply take a couple drops in the palm of your hand and massage it into your skin when it's damp. You could also add 20 drops into bath water to hydrate extremely dry, cracked, callous, itchy, irritated, and sensitive skin. Thank you so much for watching. Come back again and watch some more videos, and we will see you next time.